Anti-inflammatory foods can help boost your body's ability to combat inflammation and the diseases it can cause. Trauma, infections, injury, and toxins trigger inflammation to defend your body's health. While inflammation sounds like the ultimate killjoy, its job is to fight these foreign invaders so your body can heal and get healthy again. Here are 7 anti-inflammatory fats you should add to your nutrition arsenal to give your body a fighting chance to crush inflammation's harmful effects. 1. Mackerel. Mackerel is an oily fish loaded with 2 omega-3 fats, EPA and DHA. 2. Extra virgin olive oil. Compared to other plant oils, EVU is the richest in monounsaturated fats, which lower LDL, bad, cholesterol while raising HDL, good, cholesterol levels. 3. Dark chocolate. Antioxidants, like the flavonols in chocolate, are known inflammatory fighters. 4. Avocados. Like olive oil, this superfood fruit is high in monounsaturated fats, helping to keep the heart happy and healthy. 5. Flaxseed. You'll get 140% of the daily value of brain-boosting omega-3 fats in just 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. Flaxseed is known for its rich fiber content, as well as anti-inflammatory plant lignans. 6. Walnuts. Eating tree nuts per day can help thwart inflammation and preserve cholesterol levels and heart health. Adding these foods to your diet may curb your intake of pro-inflammatory foods like saturated fats, and can help give your body what it needs to counteract chronic inflammation, the root of many diseases.